Good evening, traders. This is Coach Alex. We would like to discuss very quickly the difference between a scalp trade and a trend trade. For our purposes and what we use in our daily trading room are three elements to determine the trend. On one chart, we use a 60-minute chart, and we take a 20-period moving average and a 5-period moving average to determine the trend. We also do the same thing on a 15-minute chart. And the third element is the daily pivot, which is taken by the high, low, and close of the previous day divided by 3. When 2 of 3 of those indicators point to an uptrend, we look to go long, or we say we look for trend trades in the upside direction. When 2 of 3 are short, we look for short trades with the trend. So what's the difference between a scalp and a trend trade? Well, in a scalp trade, we're looking to take very small bites out of the market in the move, knowing that the trend might resume at any minute. In a trend trade, we're going to look to capitalize on the acceleration of the trend, where the trend is your friend, you've heard that, where that trend will continue. Therefore, it gives us more of a profit potential, but of course, there's going to be a little bit more risk. So let's just take a quick example of what I have on today's chart. This is, by the way, is a 133 tick chart on the Dow futures. The trend was up. So that means we're going to look for trend trades in the up direction and short trades as a scalp. Well, we'll give you one example of a short trade. The market tries to make a push to the upside, fails. Second time, it fails, and we go short right below this tiny swing point. Now, you'll notice the profit potential from 32,966 down to 32,933 is just a little over 30 points. Again, in a scalp situation, we're going to use a stop over the swing point, or at most 30 points. So we're looking for at least that kind of potential with a high probability of success, but a quick in and out. Now, if you're going to trade in the direction of the prevailing trend, which is up, you're going to look for a greater potential profit. So here's a reversal of a pullback. You'll notice you make a low, the market tries to rally. It looks like it's going to make a new low, but doesn't. And now it breaks the beginning of this W type of formation. Well, again, your breakout point is going to be 957, and your stop is going to be about 931, right below there. But look how much profit and pullback and a continued high you get as compared to the potential there. So to try to wrap it up, usually on a scalp trade, we like to take 12 ticks as our first target, move our stop quickly to break even, and try to trade for a small runner. In a trend trade, we're still going to take profits on our first target of about 12 and maybe 15 ticks, but we let the market run a little longer and our stops will trail a little slower. I hope that adds to your bag of tricks. Certainly, we're available for further clarification on that. Listen, we've called over 99,000 trades since 2006. And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, subscribe to our service, try us out for a month, and see if this is what you need to enhance your career. We offer 3 kinds of services. Number 1, a live trading chat room. We have an online trading courses, and we also have in-person mentorships. So have a good day. We'll see you in the room tomorrow. By the way, tomorrow's Fed announcement.